Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we help you reach your financial goals. In today's video, we're going to be talking about maximizing your income and achieving your money goals. If you're looking for ways to increase your income, then you're in the right place. We'll be sharing 5 effective ways to boost your earnings and help you achieve financial success. Way 1, start a side hustle. One of the most effective ways to boost your earnings is by starting a side hustle. A side hustle is any form of work that you do outside of your main job, and it can provide you with a steady stream of extra income. There are many different types of side hustles that you can start, depending on your skills and interests. For example, you could start a freelance writing or graphic design business, sell products online, or provide consulting services. To start a successful side hustle, you'll need to do some research and planning. First, identify your skills and interests, and think about how you can use them to provide value to others. Next, research your target market and competitors to identify gaps and opportunities. Then, create a plan for how you will market and sell your products or services, and set realistic goals for how much money you want to make. Finally, set up a website or social media presence to promote your side hustle and attract potential customers. While starting a side hustle requires some upfront investment of time and energy, it can be a great way to maximize your income and reach your money goals. Plus, having a side hustle can provide you with a sense of purpose and fulfillment outside of your main job, and may even lead to new career opportunities in the future. So if you're looking to boost your earnings and take control of your financial future, starting a side hustle is a great place to start. Way 2, negotiate your salary. Negotiating your salary is another effective way to maximize your income. Many people feel uncomfortable asking for a raise or negotiating their starting salary, but it's important to remember that your skills and experience have value. Here are some tips to help you negotiate your salary. Do your research. Before negotiating your salary, research the average pay for someone with your skills and experience in your industry and location. Websites like Glassdoor and Salary.com can be helpful resources. Practice your pitch. Prepare a clear and concise pitch that highlights your accomplishments and the value you bring to the company. Be prepared to provide specific examples of how you have contributed to the company's success. Be confident. Remember that you deserve to be fairly compensated for your work. Be confident in your abilities and the value you bring to the company. Don't be afraid to ask for what you believe you are worth. By negotiating your salary, you can increase your earning potential and reach your financial goals faster. Don't be afraid to advocate for yourself and your worth in the workplace. Way 3, invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the best ways to boost your earning potential. Whether it's through education, training, or personal development, investing in yourself can lead to greater opportunities and higher pay. Here are 3 ways to invest in yourself and maximize your income. Learn new skills. The job market is constantly evolving, and employers are always looking for employees who have the latest skills and knowledge. By learning new skills, you can make yourself more valuable and attractive to potential employers. Consider taking courses or training programs in your field or a related field to keep your skills up to date. Get certifications. Certifications are another way to boost your earning potential. They demonstrate to employers that you have a certain level of expertise and knowledge in a specific area. Research certifications that are relevant to your industry or field and work towards obtaining them. You can often find online courses or in-person training programs that can help you prepare for certification exams. Attend conferences and networking events. Attending conferences and networking events can help you make valuable connections and learn about new developments in your field. These events provide opportunities to meet with industry leaders, potential clients, and other professionals who may be able to help you advance your career. By attending these events and making connections, you can increase your visibility and potentially open up new opportunities for yourself. Investing in yourself is a long-term strategy for boosting your income. By continuously learning and growing, you can position yourself for greater success and higher pay. Way 4. Monetize your passion. Everyone has a passion or a hobby they enjoy doing in their free time, and why not turn it into a source of income? With the rise of social media and online platforms, there are many opportunities to monetize your passion. You could start a blog, create a YouTube channel, or even sell products related to your passion. The key to monetizing your passion is to find your niche and build an audience. By sharing your knowledge and expertise on your passion, you can attract a loyal following and even turn it into a full-time career. It's important to stay authentic and passionate about what you're doing, as this will resonate with your audience and keep them engaged. Monetizing your passion is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can be a great way to earn extra income doing something you love. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion into a profitable business and achieve financial success while doing what you love. Way 5. Create multiple streams of income. Creating multiple streams of income is one of the most effective ways to boost your earnings and achieve financial success. By diversifying your income sources, you can increase your financial stability and reduce the risk of relying on a single income stream. There are many ways to create multiple streams of income. One option is to invest in rental properties or start a small business. Another option is to explore passive income opportunities such as investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate investment trusts, REITs. You can also consider earning additional income through affiliate marketing, creating and selling digital products, or renting out your assets such as your car or home. While creating multiple streams of income can be a challenge, it's important to keep in mind that it doesn't happen overnight. It requires careful planning, research, and a willingness to take calculated risks. But the potential rewards are significant: increased financial freedom and the ability to pursue your passions and achieve your goals. So there you have it, 5 effective ways to maximize your income and achieve your money goals. Whether you decide to start a side hustle, negotiate your salary, invest in yourself, monetize your passion, or create multiple streams of income, the key is to take action and be consistent in your efforts. Remember, achieving financial success is a journey, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can make it happen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.